Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about Lofted boss features. For Lofted boss feature, we need two terminal faces sketch and in some case we need the guided line. We need to make a sketch. So make it normal and sketch. So we can take a rectangle face. One terminal face. I need to make another one. So take a reference plane, make it 100 millimeter distance, and OK. Now again make it normal and select a sketch. Take a circle. Make a dimension 60 and OK. Hide this plane and select the Lofted boss and profile. Select first one and then second one. We also can change the shape from here if we change the start and ending constraint. Normal to profile, it looks more normal. So we can increase the height of normal, also decrease the height of normal, and if we change this in condition, so we can click here and make it normal. We can change this. Okay. Now we are going to see the Lofted boss feature with guideline. For this we need two sketch and a guideline. So delete this and make a sketch. Make this plane unhide and also this unhide. So make it normal and it is sketch. We are going to take a clip, select x axis and y axis. Make this and this point horizontal and give the dimension here. And 15. And we need another sketch in this plane. So make a sketch. We need to enlarge this. This is not mandatory. Give the dimension 15 and 10. Select OK. Now we need a guided curve. For guided curve we need a sketch. We need a 3D sketch. So give a 3D sketch and select a spline from here and select this one. you need to make sure that this guided must intersect these two scales. So select first one and select the second one and select. You can see this is selected. So we can also change this shape from here. Select and drag and select and drag. This is now we are fixing this shape problem. So give the shape here and give a straight line here. This is okay. Now we are applying the lofted features from here. Select this one and select this one. Select the guided curve from here. Okay, so this is all about the lofted boss features. In next tutorial we will learn the boundary boss. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for next update.